YouTube viewers, I'm Ari.
And I'm Gigi.
And we're from Mocha Scholars. Today for our science experiment, we'll be making rubber eggs. This is what you'll need. 2 eggs, hard-boiled and raw. Vinegar, enough to cover up the eggs, and these glass containers. Notice that they're clear and labeled. We have to have them labeled so that you can tell them apart. And for our experiment, we're experimenting what would happen if we put, which will get bigger, the hard-boiled egg or the raw egg, or will they stay the same? In Zizi's experiment, she's testing what would happen if we add 5 drops of food coloring to the eggs while they're in vinegar. Let's get started. Be very careful so it won't crack.
Okay.
Yep, it is. Now we have to cover it up until it's covering it. Okay. Notice that you may see little bubbles forming on it. That's because the vinegar and most other grocery store bought vinegars are made up of 5% acid and 95% water. And the eggshells are made of calcium carbonate. And together, the vinegar breaks it to just calcium and carbon. And the calcium floats around in the solution that makes the egg rubber-like, while the carbon is used in these carbon dioxide bubbles that you see on the eggs. Now we repeat with the raw egg. Try not to break it even more since it is raw and it might burst.
Can I do it?
Okay. Now you can drop the food coloring in it. Remember, 5 drops. Be extra careful. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait, that one's okay. You accidentally did 6, but I guess the more the merrier.
And more.
Okay? This is the finishing product. The hard-boiled eggs were smaller than the raw, and it did take effect on the eggs adding food coloring to it, and they bounce. But don't bounce the raw one too hard because it might burst. And this one isn't very bouncy. It's kind of like bouncing around a hard-boiled egg. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to Mocha Scholars. Bye!
Bye!